Good morning everyone. I am currently sitting... Shh. That was a chicken. Okay, good morning everyone. I'm currently sitting on the border of Thailand and Laos. I'm leaving Thailand. I've just spent like 2 weeks here in Thailand and now I'm heading to Laos. So come along for the experience. I'm going to film everything, make a video. So yeah. They are so loud. So I'm about to get picked up, taken to the border, doing the whole border crossing thing. Then I'm taking a 2-day slow boat down the Mekong River all the way to Luang Prabang. This is Thailand. This is Laos. So after a good night's sleep and with our new friend Alex, we were ready to go. Alrighty, we're on the bus crossing.
Ow! Why'd you do that? I wanted to go to now and done that.
Oh, we're on the bus crossing the border. Woo. We're officially in Laos. Woo. You ready, Declan?
I'm ready.
We're ready. This is the boat we're about to go on. Down the river. On the other side now. Wait, which one is? Oh yeah,
Is that balcony?
Yeah.
We are at the villa. Welcome. We have our boss over here.
This man.
Hi, boss.
He booked the whole dormitory for himself. So this is where we stayed on our first night. We were in a random little village, staying in a homestay with a bunch of people that we'd met on the boat. That evening we had some dinner and some drinks on the rooftop as we watched the sunset. And then we were back on a different slow boat for day 2. This day was a really special day. We saw so many different animals. We literally saw an elephant, which was sick. And as the day went on, it just got prettier and prettier. Oh, oops, sorry, that was the wrong clip. Prettier and prettier. We would float by these little isolated jungle villages, and it was just so interesting to see the way that the locals lived. The boat would stop at these little villages to drop off supplies such as like rice. And it was also the way the locals actually travelled between villages because there were no roads. And the kids would just sit on the shores and watch the boats come in and out. And they were just so sweet. Most of the time. I think they're trying to sell them.
How entrepreneurial.
Yeah, but it's paper.
Elle has been doing really well. She's been getting all the good scores. Elle, come on. Here we go. Strike. Oh. Go, Elle. Oh, you got some, Elle. Finally.
Oh shit! Hello everyone!
Hello. Welcome to Laos.
Welcome to Laos. This is our first full day in Luang Prabang and we're currently with the squad. We've met like a really good group of people on the boat and we hung out with them last night. We went partying and stuff. And today we are going to the biggest waterfall in Laos.
Is that right?
Yeah, apparently it's the biggest one.
Awesome.
Wow, that was very motivational, inspirational. I literally already love Laos.
Yeah, it's really
Don't you
nice.
reckon?
Yeah, yeah. Whoa, it's a snake.
Ah!
No way.
Oh my god!
There's a snake on the road.
There's a snake! I still love Laos.
Yeah, yeah.
We've currently stopped to look at some pigs and have some buffalo ice cream.
Say to me, what's wrong?
I've killed so many of these in Minecraft.
What's wrong? Where'd you come from? It's easy loving you. No beating, this love that you give. Say,
Oh, it's so pretty! So beautiful!
my love inside. Say to me, what's wrong?
Can we have one children? More. One. It's his birthday.
His dad. So unamusing. Is it working?
Mummy, pay.
Fuck off.
Every Sunday I used to watch cartoons, but now I'm here waking up with you. I would get excited about my favorite show. Now you're the only thing I wanna watch and all I wanna know. And take me to a movie, a matinee, walk out in the
So pretty.
What are you recording?
I said, what do you think?
Oh, it looks nice, but I really want to swim in here.
'cause you thrill me. You chill me out. Got no reason to pretend I'm somewhere with someone else when you're around. You heal me. You feel me. I'm exactly
Oh, but he's tied.
Who is he?
Yeah,
He's what?
he's tied.
Oh shit, yeah. There's a chain.
He's what?
Tied
up.
with a chain.
Some sanctuary, huh?
Some fucking sanctuary.
I don't wanna remember. There are times in my life I'd rather forget. But if we ever make it to those days, I hope I never will forget your face. 'Cause if I can't remember you, I don't know what I would do. You are one thing that I can't afford to lose. 'Cause even if you're gonna be my only memory, then maybe that's fine with me. 'Cause I don't know what I would do if I can't remember you. Can't remember you. Oh.
That is literally the definition of street food. Holy shit.